Hi and welcome to this guide about zip and links. My name is Ryan and I'm the founder of John Ryan by Design, the UK's premier independent mattress retailer. As a zip and link specialist, one question that we get asked a lot is, will I be able to feel the zips on my new bed? Now, there are two main reasons why people order zip and links. Either there isn't enough access to allow for a one-piece mattress to be delivered, or because somebody would like the flexibility of having either two single beds or one extra large bed. If you haven't had a zip and link before, I can understand the concern about how the middle of the mattress will feel. Some people have the impression that there'll be a ridge or a dip in the middle of the mattress. This is not the case. We construct the mattresses so that the zips sit lower than the sleeping surface. At most, you'll feel a slight change in tension if you were to roll over from one side of the mattress to the other, but it's barely perceptible. The use of an inexpensive topper will help with this if you're still concerned, but it's not essential. Over the past 15 years, we've supplied nearly 5,000 zip and link sets. The feedback that we get is extremely positive, with the vast majority of people loving their new zip and links. It's a very rare case indeed where somebody isn't happy with their zip and link due to how the bed feels where the zips are located. When you consider that we have a fuss-free love it or return it guarantee, we can be pretty confident that we're providing a product that customers are happy with. On a side note, a lot of hotels have been using zip and links for years now. This is how they're able to offer twin and king rooms. You've probably already slept on a zip and link in the past and haven't even noticed. If you need more help when looking for a zip and link mattress, why not get in touch in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more guides like this. You can find our website at johnryanbydesign.co.uk. Sleep well.